Hello. It's Emma Holmes coming in from Rockstar HQ, and in this video I'm going to show you a different way to make videos for your Facebook page, for your Insta stories, for your YouTube channel, wherever you want. So it's just about how you can change it up a little bit, how you can vary your content a little bit, and how you can bring something new to the party. Or alternatively, if you don't like doing the whole face to camera thing, it's another good idea as to how you can bring together a different video source for your audience. So take a look. So another way that you can create video content that is slightly different for your Facebook page, for your vlog, blog, YouTube, wherever you want essentially, is a lovely little website called Lumen 5. It is lumen5.com, and this is a place where you can turn all sorts of things into videos. So I'm going to log in. You can sign up for free if you don't already have an account. I'm going to log in. It's going to take me in. And it's going to show you some of the videos that I've already created, which are already there. But I can also create a video. So instant videos. Oops, just add that in there. I want to create a video. So it's going to load me up the ability to create an instant video. So I can start to look at how I bring together a video for wherever I want it to go. So we can bring that through. We can get that done. And what we can do here is we can create a video with ease. So you can go to your dashboard, you can create instant videos, you can look at your branded videos, and what we're going to do is create an instant. And what we need to think about here first is how we bring that video together and what that video is going to look like. So from here on our dashboard, create video, top corner, hit that button, and it's going to take us through to allow us to start to create our very own video. So we can use a blog post or article. So this is a great way to start. If you already have a blog, then this is a fabulous way for you to start to create some videos from the content that you already have. You know, if you've got stuff already, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. It's another clever way of taking the content that you've already got and turning it into something different. So I'm going to go to my blog. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find a little bit of an older article because I'm not sure how it is going to deal with the formatting of my blogs. So let's just take this one, for example, looking after your logs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this article. I'm going to take the URL and copy it. So I'm right clicking there on the top and I'm going to paste the URL into this search bar and I'm going to press go. And what it does is it gives me the option. So I can use Lumen to create videos that are going to work well. Here we are on Insta Stories, IGTV, Snapchat, Facebook and Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. So I'm going to go with a Facebook one for now. It asks me to choose a theme. And I'm going to go with a theme, and then it's going to go through, give you a little bit of a fact as it goes. And it's going to build the video from the text that is in that particular article. So that's really clever. You know, it's a really clever system that it's going to build in text that I want from the things, from the article that I've already written. It's going to give me lots of facts as we go. It's like hold music, isn't it? Bum bum bum, ba ba bum, and through it goes. Video ads have a higher click-through rate. Business Insider. Before reading any text, 60% of site visitors will watch a video. You can set up an RSS feed from the dashboard page to have your videos automatically created. So you can have the ability for Lumen 5 to be creating those videos in the background when you are scheduling and posting new blog posts. It can be building those videos for you to come in and have a little bit of a look at. So as it prepares to finish and just finishes off that little bit there, come on. I'm going to pause the video recording so you don't have to wait. Okay, so this is actually what you see when you get through that first. What it's done is it's brought my blog post in, as you can see there, and it has then decided as to which elements it's going to bring in and what that's going to say. And throughout all of this, there's lots that you can be doing to create the video that you want. So click on the sentence to add it to the video. You choose which sentences you want to bring in. So I can say, right, okay, so this is about looking after your logs. What I want to do is I want to have a look at how that might look. So we've got two here, look after your logs, look after your logs. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of that one. Confirm, delete. We don't need that saying twice, do we? So here we've got the ability to look at whether or not we dim it or not. We can look to preview the actual slide, and it'll show us what's going to happen. We can choose the text position, so we can move it all around the screen. So depending on where you want it to be, you can change that. And you can decide what that looks like. You can highlight that text and change it if you want. So we've got that going on, and that is there. So that one didn't delete, did it? Confirm, delete, delete, delete. There we go. And then it comes into the next bit. And I can decide which words go in there, or I can change them slightly. So if I wanted to change them, you know, I could put those logs can only be used once, and I can change those words. So it's the same as the article. Once they are gone, they are gone. And it just might be that it makes a little bit more sense in the video. So I can go to media, and this is where I can change any of the imagery that's in the caption already. I can just drag them and pull them up and change any imagery. And they'll give me some suggested imagery that I can use based upon the words that it's picked out. There's stacks and stacks and stacks that you can look through, but you can also search. So you could search for different words, you could choose your own words, you can see what comes up for you. And the other option here is that you can upload your own media. So you can go in and you can ask your own media to come through, and I can just pick one of these images, any picture, and bring it through and upload it onto the uploaded images. So then I've got a new image that I can pull in that's my own image, so I can bring my own imagery into play. I can also look at the music that I want to put on it. I can choose a tune. So I could go select, can choose a style. So I can choose the colours of the style of the highlighted colours of the words. So I could go with a yellowy colour on that. I can choose icon backgrounds, and that gives me the opportunity to change whatever it is that I want. And once I'm happy with it, what I can do is I can just press preview, and it shows me the video here. I can either continue editing, or I better turn my music down a little bit, haven't I? There we go, turn that music down a little bit. I can continue editing, or I can press finish. If I press finish, what happens is that will then roll off, and it will it will render, and then it will download. So I don't need to do anything else with that. I can get on with my life, I can continue working, and that will render itself and it will download. The other option in Lumen 5 is create video, and it is copy and paste content. So that could be that you've written a Facebook post that you wanted to copy in there, or you had some content somewhere else. Or you can start from scratch and you can choose your video, you can choose your decisions, and you can just go in and start to write in here anything that you want. You know, you can go in and you can go, hello and welcome to my Facebook page, and you can go through and add, again, media, music, style, entirely within your control, preview, finish. So it's a great way of adding a different type of content to your own marketing bandwidth. And it, as I say, you can use it on Instagram, you can use it on Twitter, you can use it on Facebook. You can, you know, it's so multifaceted that you can use it from all sorts of different avenues. You can take content you've already got, you can create new content, you can use your own imagery, you can use imagery that they've got. So it's a really flexible way of creating a different kind of image for your video marketing. I hope that's been useful. So I hope that you found that super useful. I would love to know if you've watched in. Please like the video, pop a comment in the comments box. It's lovely, lovely, lovely to hear from you. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. And if you want some further help and support on your social media, then you can shimmy over to the website and get your hands on our free social media bundle. That is available for you to get your hands on whenever you like, completely free of charge, and the link is in the description under this video. So have an ace rest of your day, whatever you're doing, and I'll speak to you soon.